Hello friends, welcome back to techgitter. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in and use your Bajaj Finserv DBS Bank credit card step by step. So, if you're a card holder or planning to get one, make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. How to log in and use your Bajaj Finserv DBS Bank credit card. Accessing your supercard account. Method 1. Using the DBS Card mobile app. Method 2. Using the online portal. Method 1. Using the DBS Card mobile app. 1. Download the DBS Card app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 2. Open the app and tap on New User. Register. 3. Enter your registered mobile number and password and follow the on-screen steps. Once registered, log in using your credentials and start managing your card. Method 2. Using the online portal. Visit the official DBS credit card portal, dbs.com. Click on New User Registration. Provide your card details and registered mobile number to create your online account. Login. After registration, enter your username and password to access your account. How to use your Bajaj Finserv DBS credit card. Step 1. Online shopping and payments. Use your 16-digit card number to shop on any e-commerce platform. Enable international transactions via the DBS app, if needed. Step 2. Contactless payments. Just tap your card on any NFC-enabled POS machine for faster transactions. Step 3. EMI conversion. Convert big purchases into easy EMIs using the Bajaj Finserv EMI Store or the DBS Card app. Step 4. Rewards and cash points. Earn 2 cash points for every 200 Indian rupees spent and redeem them for travel, shopping, and dining. How to pay by credit card. Step 1. Via DBS Card app. Open the app. Go to Payments. Select your card. Pay via net banking, UPI, or wallet. Step 2. Online payment via Bajaj Finserv. Go to Bajaj Finserv credit card payments page. Choose from multiple options like debit/credit cards, net banking, UPI, or Bajaj Pay wallet. Select credit card bills under the Financial Services and Taxes section. Choose Bajaj Finserv DBS Bank Super as your credit card issuer. Enter your 16-digit credit card number and click on Fetch your bill. Follow the prompts to complete the payment. Step 3. Check offline payment. Make your check payable to DBS Bank credit card. Replace excess with your 16-digit card number and deposit it at any DBS or Bajaj Finance branch. Reward points and benefits. Step 1. Earning cash points. Earn 2 cash points for every 200 Indian rupees spent on regular purchases. Achieve monthly spending milestones to multiply your cash points up to 10x, depending on your card variant. Step 2. Redeeming cash points. Redeem your accumulated points for flight and hotel bookings, shopping, dining, and more through the DBS Delights platform. Customer support. 24/7 helpline. For any queries or assistance, call 1-860-267-6789, local, or +9144690466789, international. Email support. Reach out via email at supercardcare@dbs.com. For more detailed information, refer to the Bajaj Finserv DBS Bank Supercard page. Always ensure you're accessing official and secure platforms to manage your credit card account. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.